Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about copy and paste in ChatGPT. So guys, as you can see, this is the text which I asked in my question, and it answered me. And now I want to copy the whole text and I want to paste it in my notepad. So how I will do, just look at the right top corner on this text, and here you will see the copy option and you have to click on it. Just simply click on it without any hesitation and go on your notepad and paste it over here by pressing Ctrl V. As you can see guys, my complete text has been pasted over here, but now I want to copy some important points to my notepad. So how I will do, first I will select all the text and I am going to drag it, and here in this text I will select my important points and I will paste it on my notepad. Just simply keep your cursor over here and click left and select the important point of your text. You can copy it by pressing this option, and you can copy it by pressing Ctrl C. So once you're done with it, then go to the notepad and press Ctrl V. So guys, as you can see, my important point has been pasted over here. Same as you can also copy your important points or text from here and you can paste it anywhere. So guys, this is how to copy and paste in ChatGPT. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.